The developers are responsible for building great applications that we have today. Developers are very good at writing great code, making sure that the application works and performs at its best. But one of the major roadblocks that developers have is they do not have an understanding of the underlying infrastructure where the application will be hosted. For example, the developer may not know what encryption is and what backups are. The platform as a service will be providing an environment for building such applications so that the developer does not have to worry about those concepts. He just have to focus on writing the best code. Platform as a service provides an environment for building, testing, and deploying software applications. The goal of paas is to help create an application quickly as possible without having the developer to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure. For example, when deploying a web application using paas, you do not have to install an operating system. You do not have to even take care of the Windows updates or install the antivirus on the machine. paas is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud. Resources are purchased from cloud service provider on pay-as-you-go basis and accessed over a secure internet connection. There are no upfront costs and users pay only for what they consume. The cloud user or the developer is responsible for the development of their own applications. However, they are not responsible for managing the server or the underlying infrastructure. This will allow the cloud user or the developer to focus on the application or the workloads they want to run. The cloud provider is then responsible for operating system management and network and service configuration. Cloud providers are typically responsible for everything apart from the application that the user wants to run. Cloud provider provides a complete management platform on which the developers wants to build and run the applications.